ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾನಾತ್ಮಾನಂದ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಆರ್ಷವಿದ್ಯಾ ಗುರುಕುಲ ಪಾಲಕ್ಕಾಡ್. ಶ್ರೀಗಳವರು ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದಯಾನಂದ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಆರ್ಷವಿದ್ಯಾ ಗುರುಕುಲದ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೇರಳದ ಪಾಲಕ್ಕಾಡ್ನಿಂದ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಇವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಎಳೆಯ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಮಿಷನ್ನಿನ ಸಾಂದೀಪನಿ ಗುರುಕುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಾಂತಾಧ್ಯಯನವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದರು. ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದಯಾನಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಧ್ಯಯನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಋಷಿಕೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 2009ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ವೇದಾಂತ ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ಷಧರ್ಮದ ಉದ್ಬೋಧಕರಾಗಿ ಜನಾನುರಾಗಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಗುಡ್ಡುಗಾಡು ಜನರ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಯೋಜನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಂಡು ಬಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿಯೇ ವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ಶಂಕರ ಭಾರತಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ನಡೆಸಿದಂತಹ ಸಂತ ಸಮಾವೇಶದಿಂದ ಪ್ರೇರಿತರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಗಳು ಆದಿಶಂಕರರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಜನಪ್ರಿಯಗೊಳಿಸುವ ಶಾಂಕರ ಸ್ತೋತ್ರ ತರಂಗಿಣಿ ಎಂಬ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ 321 ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ದೃಶ್ಯ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಸದಾಶಿವಸಮಾರಂಭಾಂ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯಮಧ್ಯಮಾಂ ಅಸ್ಮದಾಚಾರ್ಯಪರ್ಯಂತಾಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರುಪರಂಪರಾಂ. ಅಜ್ಞಾನಾಂತರ್ಗಹನಪತಿತಾನ್ ಆತ್ಮವಿದ್ಯೋಪದೇಶೈಃ ತ್ರಾತುಂ ಲೋಕಾನ್ ಭವದವಶಿಕಾತಾಪಸಂಪಚ್ಯಮಾನ ಮುಕ್ತ್ವಾ ಮೌನಂ ವಡವಿಡಪಿನೋ ಮೂಲತೋ ನಿಷ್ಪದಂದಿ ಶಂಭೋರ್ಮೂರ್ತಿಶ್ಚರದಿ ಭುವನೇ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ರೂಪ. ಶಂಭೋರ್ಮೂರ್ತಿಶ್ಚರದಿ ಭುವನೇ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ರೂಪ. My humble pranams to Pujya Sri Swamiji Shankara Bharati Swamigal and Uttaradigari Swamigal and all other respected Swamis on the dais. I am overwhelmed being here. It's because of Pujya Swamiji's affectionate invitation. It is, he was again and again insisting me to come here and participate in this function. It's because of his affectionate compulsion only I am here. Otherwise I will be continuing my work there in Kerala. I was doing Akhanda Shankara Stotra Tarangini, not even a day's break. It's because of all Guru Parampara's blessings, Adi Shankara's blessings. That program was inspired by Pujya Swamiji. The Bangalore meeting, we were discussing about what to do to propagate Shankara's work to all local people or laymen. We were thinking so many methods. So after that, immediately Corona lockdown started. I was stuck what to do. I never presented myself through online medias, but this Corona compelled me to come through this modern medias. So I started Shankara Stotra Tarangini from April 2nd last year, 2020, Ramanavami Day, auspicious day. Started from Ganesha Pancharatnam. All small stotras I explained in Malayalam. I'm fluent in Malayalam only. This is the first time I'm talking in English. This is the first time I was compelled here to talk in Malayalam and English. It's all Adi Shankara's blessing because I am from Shankara's own place, no? Kerala, Kaladi is. I have learned my Vedanta course his birthplace, Adi Shankara birthplace, that is in Piravan, not in Kaladi. Kaladi is his father's place. Kaladi is Shivaguru, his father's place. His mother is Aryamba. Her place is Piravam in near Ernakulam district, near Kaladi, just 20-30 kilometers away from Kaladi. So that Adi Shankara Nilayam is called now. Melpalur Illam it was. Now Chinmaya Mission bought that property. Now they are maintaining it well as Chinmaya International Foundation. So my first course, 3-year course, from 94 to 96, 97, I was there staying in Adi Shankara Nilayam. So I was blessed to be there. Daily we were doing seva to Adi Shankara shrine there. Adi Shankara Akhanda Jyoti we are maintaining there. So I was blessed to be there and I was inspired by all his teachings. So from that 96, 97 onwards, till date I am continuing with whatever Shankara gave us, I am propagating. So during this Corona period, I started Saundarya Lahari in Facebook Live and WhatsApp. It was attended by more than 1 lakh people. That I informed Pujya Swamiji. That is why he was insisting me to come here and tell you all this thing. Inspire all of you telling this. There were around 500 groups, WhatsApp groups, 250 members each. Now, even now it is continuing, growing. Initially it was 50 groups started, but it grown to 500 groups. Now it is even now continuing. That's the blessings I got from Adi Shankara, Pujya Swamiji, my Guru, Dayananda Saraswati Swamigal, and Saundarya Lahari. Saundarya Lahari blessed me to be here. That's the all that grace I got. That's why I am here. I am not a good speaker in English, even though I managed to communicate few words with you. I will tell you one thing. I am a Bhagavata Upasaka also. In Bhagavata there is one sloka. Sri Krishna Bhagavan repeats 4 times. Na hyammayani tirthani na deva mritsilamayah te punandyurukalena darshanadeva sadavaha. That is the message I have to give you. Na hyammayani tirthani means all the waters are not tirthas. If you have proper attitude, if you approach that tirtha with bhakti, shraddha, that will give you long-term benefits. Na hyammayani tirthani na deva vrachilamayah te punandi urukalena, bahukalena. After a long time it will give you benefits. Even temples also, the shrines also, the famous tirthas, that will also, if you approach proper attitude, it will give you the results after a long time. But if you see a saint, darshana deva sadavaha. That is the message Sri Krishna Bhagavan giving to his children, Yadavas. 4 times he is repeating in that Bhagavata. You must learn it from Bhagavata. So that is the message at this time I am giving you. I am really blessed to be here along with all these Mahatmas. I am the junior most, even though Pujya Swamiji's grace brought me here. Thank you all. Thank you, Pujya Swamiji. Thank you very much.